How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm playing around with Tecsun PL-330, and something that's no surprise, but it is interesting from the fact that I did kind of a crude comparison of reception on my SDR Play Duo SDR and this radio right here using my G5RV outside antenna, and it makes a huge difference using that compared to the telescopic antenna. No surprise there, but my point I want to bring out is, let me just let you listen again. WWV on 5 megahertz. Now, I don't know if you could hear it, but I believe the female voice was at the beginning, at coming up to the minute, which comes out of Hawaii, and then the male voice, which comes out of Colorado. So it's theoretically it's picking up the Hawaii station. We'll wait till the next minute come up and see if we can determine if that is in fact the station from Hawaii. Turn the volume up. Turn it up louder. Right there. Now it was very weak, but I could hear it. And it was clear. Okay, now the ticks are really clear. And again, my point is not comparing using an external antenna to using the built-in telescopic antenna, but I'm trying to compare the reception capability of this radio compared to my Duo SDR, which is excellent. So this, I would categorize this just listening, not doing any measurement, but just listening. I would say this receiver is doing as well as that SDR. What do you think? Again, I think it's receiving the female voice coming out of Hawaii. Let's listen one more time. We just missed it. Turn the volume up. Well, I'm going to turn it down, and then when it comes up on the minute, I'll turn it up and see if we can hear that female voice. I wish I could get the backlight to stay on, but I can't. I don't know of any way of doing that. I sent a message to Anna and asking her if there's any way to keep that backlight on. Okay, I'm waiting for it to come up to a minute. Should have timed it. Usually the tone changes when it gets close to the minute. There, it changed. Okay, we turned it up. Yep. Yeah, that was the female voice. So I am, theoretically, I am getting the Hawaiian station. That's phenomenal. If that's really true. Now, maybe I'm getting fooled, which is easy for an old man like me, especially since I'm on powerful painkillers. I could easily get fooled. What do you think? Was I really receiving Hawaii? Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.